Down checking out the Jungle Bird. Hey, Deuce.
Yeah, good morning, guys. We're hanging out at the Jungle Bird. This place is awesome. I mean, you know, sometimes you see tiki bars and they're a little cheesy. This place is not cheesy at all. They did a great job with the decor here, and they have some pretty unique drinks and, of course, island cuisine, which is great. We're checking out some of the food today. Got the whole crew here. Of course, you got Tyler, you got Buddy making the drinks, and Chef Matt over here with some amazing food. All right, tell us what we have here. Well, let's start with this. What's this platter?
This spinning concoction right here is the poo-poo platter. So you can kind of choose what you want to eat with what we have on the menu, but this one right here, this is Kahlua pork with pineapple preserves, classic coconut shrimp. These are sisig tacos, which is like a Filipino preparation put inside a tortilla. These are shrimp cakes and then vegetarian egg rolls.
Oh, that looks so good. Moving on, I noticed this. We got some wings over here.
Salt and pepper wings with togarashi. And then this is pork belly with wasabi pommes frites and like a cured black bean vinaigrette with fennel.
That is just amazing. So great food. And of course, people wondering, what about the drinks? You know, you want those nice tiki bar style drinks. You got Tyler here. You may remember him from a Tank House. Tyler.
Yes, sir.
Tell us what you guys have here, the type of drinks. What can we expect?
Well, we're serving all different kinds of tropical libations.
Yeah?
Some are, I'd say we're about 60-40. 60% of them are classic tiki drinks that you'd expect to see on menus from the 30s and 40s.
Nice.
And then the other 40% are house creations that
Yeah.
Buddy, my co-owner and bar and rum connoisseur, has created with his impeccably awesome team.
All right, Buddy, what do we have here in this brass thing? This is cool.
So that's our macadamia nut chi-chi. So it's a vodka-based drink with pineapple juice, coconut cream, and macadamia nut liqueur.
Okay, so why a tiki bar in Sacramento?
Because why not? It's
Thank
fun.
you. That's the right answer. You know what's fun, too? He showed me this guy. What's this called, this big brass bird? What is this?
So that is our 3-hour tour. It's our big punch bowl for 6 people or more.
Wait, the flamingo.
So you can enjoy some cool drinks in this brass bird. How cool is that? The 3-hour tour. Anyway, Jungle Bird is now open. You're going to want to have to check it out for yourself. You got great food, great drinks, a really cool spot in Sacramento. I love the vibe, guys. Check it out. Back to you.
Yeah.
Killer decor.
Absolutely.
And how many people did you say that the brass bird serves?
I don't know. A whole mess of folks.
You and all your friends.
There you go.